Alright, good morning. We are here live trading the NQ. I just want to make sure that you guys can check out my screen. Let's get this screen shared with you guys. Alright. So we're just going to do a quick market recap to see what's happening. It is FOMC day today, so we're going to try to hold off on some trades if you don't see the proper setup. The goal today is to kind of watch the market and commentate on it. We do want to stay away from trades just because it's very choppy and we can get caught up in the chop. And the day today can be very big in terms of the movements. So we don't want to wipe out our accounts on this day. Alright, so starting with the daily candles. Let's take all these out. It is 9:43 a.m. Market is currently open. So looking at the weekly candle, we do have this weekly order block that we tapped into. We rejected off it. We did break previous week's low yesterday, so I want to see if we respect this order block or we go lower towards these swing lows here. Alright. Sorry, it's the wrong template. This is the one. So we got this here. And we have this fair value gap on the weekly. This is a BISI. Let's go down on the daily candles. So daily, we are tapping into this daily BISI here. Let's put this down here. Sorry, SIBI. I think I said BISI by accident. So this is our sell side inefficiency, buy side imbalance. Got that here. We are tapping into it. I do want to see it reach the half point if we can. We passed yesterday's highs here. We did tap into this swing high right over here as well. So we are currently, we want to see if we reject off this level right here. This level here. We are currently tapping into it. Let's go down on the 4-hour. Okay, we are tapping into this equal highs right over here on the 4-hour. Also this fair value gap. Same thing on the 1-hour. Tapping into this equal highs. We see this candle wicking, so we don't know. This could be a potential reversal for us. We tapped into this fair value gap here on the 1-hour. So I have a lot of room to go up just because you have so many imbalances to fill. But I want to see if this will reject off this or it will displace through it. But I do see it rejecting now. Alright, so we have our 15-minute. This is our bellwether chart. Alright. This is the first 15-minute candle here. This is our range. We took out these highs in the first 15 minute. We traded above London. So we have London lows to tap into, Asia lows that we're not tapped into. So it is FOMC day. We can wipe all these out and go lower, or wipe these out and reverse higher. Let's go down to the screen here. So we know what we're doing. I like having the 15, 5, 3, and 1 minute open on one screen. And then I have my correlated markets, the ES, the Dow Jones, and the VIX. The VIX is pumping, and the ES and the Dow are dropping. We didn't get a break of structure on this one here, so I don't know if he will respect this fair value gap. This right here. I want to see if we respect this or we invert it. Alright, I see that. Alright, you see this pumping over it. Is he going to invert it or respect this? Interesting chop here. You see we have some consolidation here. I want to see a strong move down. Also, we didn't really get a market structure shift, so it would have been nice if this leg down right here from this high to this low, it would have been nice to see this break this market structure down here. So this low could have acted as a market structure shift. That's why I'm not really confident in this gap, and I have a strong feeling that this can invert this, and which it is doing that as we speak. It also took out these highs here. The swing high just formed, took out the highs. Can we get a breakthrough above this high, or would this be another swing? This would have been nice to kind of break this and then come back and then retest the gap and then come down. That would have been nice. Still have the bodies of this candle respecting this gap. So I don't know. Let's see. It would be nice to see a displacement down. Still no strong rejection. For a lot of the traders, you don't want to get caught up in this chop. You really want to see a market make a clear move, but we don't really expect that today because of FOMC. So today could be a day where we don't trade, we just watch the market and just commentate on what we think. All right. All right. So we have the Dow Jones dumping down. We have the ES that's moving up, as well as the Nasdaq. Can this follow through with the ES and the Nasdaq, or can this follow through with the Dow Jones? ES slowly turning back. All right. Market seems like it wants to make its way higher. You can see this trending up. Simply trading right now, when you don't know, can be a gamble. So you don't really want to gamble. You want to be trading the highest probability. And right now, I don't know. You can't really find any high probability setups. The Dow is still dumping, so I don't know. The ES is pumping as well as the Nasdaq. So it took out these highs, took out these lows, and now it doesn't want to go higher, or doesn't want to come back down here and then go back higher. Typical FOMC movement. I can see a lot of shorters here would have shorted, got stopped out, shorted, got stopped out. Alright, and we are pumping higher. We are trading inside a daily imbalance. I want to see this respect this gap and then move higher for these highs. Alright, this is took out these highs. So we are trending bullish now. The overall trend was also bullish. Alright guys, I will be calling it a day for now. I will be coming back for power hour after the FOMC to see if we can find any trades. Typically during FOMC days, we want to see trade setups and take trades after the news. So in this case it would be the power hour. I just want to see what time the news is today and what other news do we have. So at 10 a.m. we had the pending home sales, so you can see the 10 a.m. right here. They move up, and then we have the federal funds rate, the FOMC statement at 2 p.m. and the FOMC press conference at 2:30. So really at 3 p.m. is when we want to start coming back, and that would be the power hour. For now we will call it, and we will see you later today after FOMC.